So our job in this video is to solve a problem 1 over a plus 1 over b is equal to 1 over 13. Our job is to find the sum of a plus b, and we know that a and b are natural numbers. A and b are natural numbers. It means a and b are integers strictly larger than 0. So what are we going to do? Well, first we are going to take an equation that we are starting from, 1 over a plus 1 over b is 1 over 13, and we are going to multiply that equation by a multiplied by b to get rid of the fractions on the left side of the equation. Then our problem becomes a multiplied by b multiplied by 1 over a plus 1 over b. That is the multiplication of the left side of our problem with a multiplied by b. And on the right side we have 1 over 13 multiplied by the product ab. We are going to get rid of these brackets on the left side of the equation, and then we get a multiplied by b multiplied by 1 over a plus ab multiplied by 1 over b, that is ab over 13. A and a can cancel out, and b are going to cancel out, and we get that a plus b is equal to ab over 13. By multiplying an entire equation by 13, we get that 13a plus b is equal to ab. Or that 13a plus 13b is equal to ab. Let's place everything on one side of the equation and make 0 on another side of the equation. Then we get that ab minus 13a minus 13b is equal to 0. And if you observe the first and the second term of this left side of the equation, you see that a is in common. Of course, we have this b in common here, but we are going to take a first, and then we have b minus 13 and minus 13b to be equal to 0. So our idea here is to make b minus 13 somewhere and take that b minus 13 and this b minus 13 as common and get something else in the product to be equal to 0. So let's make this b minus 13 in this second term to make that term inside of the bracket. So we have a multiplied by b minus 13, and this minus 13b, we are going to play with it. So we are going to put b minus 13 because that is what we need. And thus we get minus 13b minus 13 minus 13. That is plus 169. And we are going to subtract this 169 because that is something that we have artificially added. So we have b minus 13 as common in one bracket, and in the other bracket we have a from the first term and negative 13 from the second term, and that is equal to 169. Now we are going to find all factors that give 169 as a product. So 169 can be written as 1 multiplied by 169, also as 169 multiplied by 1, and as 13 multiplied by 13. We are not taking negative signs because we have this demand from the beginning that a and b are natural numbers. So in the first case, we have that a minus 13 multiplied by b minus 13 is equal to 1 multiplied by 169. a minus 13 is equal to 1 in this case, and b minus 13 is equal to 169. That is going to give us that a is equal to 14 and b is equal to 182. Of course, that means that a plus b, remember a plus b is the sum that we need to find, is equal to 182 plus 14, and that is going to give us 196. In the second case, we have a minus 13 multiplied by b minus 13, and that is going to be 169 multiplied by 1. Well, in this case, we have an opposite situation, so a is going to be 182 and b is going to be equal to 14. Again, a plus b remains unchanged, and that is 196. In the third and final case which we have, a minus 13 multiplied by b minus 13, so this product is going to be equal to 13 multiplied by 13, and then we have that a minus 13 is 13 and that b minus 13 is 13. So we have that a is 26 and that b is equal to 26. Therefore, the sum a plus b is going to be 26 plus 26, and that is equal to 52. Finally, we have that a plus b is equal to 196, or that a plus b is equal to 52. And this is our final solution for the beginning problem. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.